Hey, what up my cruisers? In this video we're going to be checking out the Earth-Pak Insulated backpack cooler. Alright, let's go.
Pack 35 can cooler backpack. Got this on Amazon, link in description. Alright, let's open it up. About to take this on a trip right now. Probably going camping right now, so I'm gonna use this to cool my stuff now. There it is. That's how it comes. Just move this over here. Plastic. Rip it open. There we go. Zipper up here. You can store, I don't know, anything up here like snacks and stuff. Just put stuff in here too. Pockets down the side too. You can put some more stuff in here. Got handles on both sides. Pick it up easy. Another thing over here. This is like, oh, this is just a pocket. It's not a zipper pocket. Put some in there too. So yeah, here, backpack has a little thing on it, so you can secure it on your waist when you're hiking or something. Nice little zipper. It's plastic, hard plastic. So it's just, oh, yeah, it's kind of hard to open it because it's supposed to keep everything cold. There you go. Got this orange, got the film in it. This is maintenance grease. Waterproof zippers need to be lubricated on the docking hand from time to time. Okay. We'll put this over here then. Then it has warning, need to return. Has a little instruction manual, what the features are. Bungee cord. How to care for your product. Zipper, lubricant, cleaning, storage. Tips for ice retention. It says avoid air pockets. But yeah, Earth-Pak.com, or you can go on Amazon. Check my link. I'm gonna link this in the description. Can fit 35 cans in here. Looks pretty good. So I'll take it right now, and I'll show you guys. So,
What up my cruiser? So I'm out here camping the BLM campground in Tucson, and I'm about to show you the Earth-Pak. Well, you guys already seen the unboxing. Now this is a live demonstration. So the zippers are pretty tight. I guess they're waterproof, so you can take this in the water and your food won't get wet, or drinks. So it's kind of hard to get out, but a lot of insulation. Look how thick that is. It's probably like 2 inch, maybe almost 3 inches thick, 2.5 maybe like 2 inches, 2 inches thick. You know, this is how much stuff I got in here. My bagels. Let's see how much stuff I put in here. I didn't even fill it up all the way. Got my eggs, I think got some burgers. I got another ice pack in here. It's still cold. Look how frozen that is still. Yep, it's rock solid. And I got this ice pack, which is still cold, cooler shock. And then I got another drink. And this wasn't even filled up all the way, mind you. So, yeah, I think this can fit 35 cans for sure. That's what it's rated for. So, I mean, check it out. Link in the description. I forgot how much this was. I think it was 100 some. I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, it seems pretty sturdy. The buildmanship quality looks pretty good. I mean, all the stitching looks good. Nothing's falling off. I mean, it's a brand new bag, so I mean, it shouldn't. But oh, here's even a bottle opener right here. which I didn't see earlier, so that's cool. So if you got beer, you can crack it open. There's like some foam on the back padding right here, so if you're taking it on the long hike, you know, your back won't take the brunt of the weight. Give you some comfort right there. And this is like instruction guide. But yeah, there's pockets on both sides. There's you can hook things on here. You can probably put something in here too. And then there's another pocket on top, so plenty of pockets. So highly recommend it. Kept all my stuff cold, so as you can tell. But yeah, I'm about to cook right now. Check out my video, my camping video, and let's keep cruising. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. AZcruiser out.